Welcome back to TechBytes. In our last episode, we tackled Python errors and debugging like pros. Today, we are stepping into a fundamental concept that every Python programmer must master: variables and data types.
Oh, so we're going to play with numbers and words?
That's right, Byte. But it's more than just playing. Understanding variables and data types is like learning the building blocks of coding. So let's dive in. Let's start with a simple question. What is a variable? Think of a variable like a label container where we store data. Imagine this jar holds cookies. If I label it cookies, I know what's inside. Similarly, in Python, a variable holds a value that we can see in our program.
Wait, you mean I can name a box and put things in it?
Exactly. A variable is just a name given to a value, so we can use it later. Declaring a variable in Python is simple. You just type a name, an equal sign, and the value you want to store. We just created three variables. Name holds a text, age holds a number, and is_student holds a boolean value.
Python makes it super easy. Unlike other languages, you don't need to specify the type of variable, it figures it out automatically.
But what happens if I do this?
𝗧𝗲𝗰𝗵𝗕𝘆𝘁𝗲𝗿𝗶𝗆. Those are invalid. Remember, variable names must start with a letter or an underscore, and they can't have spaces or special characters like hyphens. Great job, everyone. Today we have learned what variables are, how they work, and how to declare and assign values to them in Python. Understanding variables is crucial because they act as containers for storing data, which we will use throughout our coding journey. In the next episode, we will dive into data type. So stay tuned for TechBytes episode 4, where we will explore data types in Python. Until then, keep practicing and don't forget to experiment with variables in your own code. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe to TechBytes. See you in the next one. Happy coding!